Bee eaters are easily identified by its triangular wings or extended central tail feather. Bee eaters primarily hunt insects, including bees, dragonflies, beetles, and other flying insects. They are expert aerial hunters and catch their prey while in flight. They often perch on exposed branches or wires, scanning the surroundings for flying insects. Once a bee eater spots prey, it will swoop down from its perch, capturing the insect mid-air with its long, slender bill. They are incredibly agile flyers and can perform acrobatic maneuvers to catch its prey. When catching bees, bee eaters have developed techniques to deal with its stingers. Before consuming a bee eater will often remove the stinger by repeatedly hitting the bee against a hard surface, such as a branch or wire. This behavior helps to neutralize the bee's defensive mechanism. After removing the stinger, the bee eater may also beat the prey against the perch to discharge venom or digestive fluids, making the prey safer to swallow. Once prepared, the bee eater swallows the insect whole. Their bills are adapted to catch and hold insects securely, and they have relatively large teeth, allowing them to swallow the prey whole. Even it's quite larger in relation to their body size. Bee eaters have one of the most complex social systems of any birds. Many species, but not all, are monogamous in nature, cooperative breeders living in large colonies of over 100 birds.